The player. In the player menu, under the first tab, you will find the usual controls you would expect in a player. Here I want to highlight one, that is the cue. Once you click on the cue, it will appear the cue in the right-hand side. There is also a playlist tab where you can see the list of playlists available, and if you click in one of them, you can see the items on the right. Under the Browse tab, you will be able to see all the files that are stored in the micro SD card, and you will also be able to manage them. One very interesting feature is that you can add files or folders from your browser into the microSD card of the device directly. You can also add files to the playlist or create a new playlist with all the files of a folder, or you can even delete them. If you don't have any microSD card, you will still be able to use the files stored into the internal memory of the device. There is some music, an alarm message, some ringtones, and some test tracks to start playing right away whenever the device is configured. This is factory fixed and is not allowed to upload files into the internal memory. If your device was manufactured in a previous version than 2.0, these files are not stored and therefore cannot be accessed. In the App button, you will find an option which is called Mini Player. When this option is activated, appears a bottom line with some controls and data of the player. The micro SD card can be up to 2 terabytes. It accepts several types of audio files. It manages a hierarchy of 8 folders. Another interesting detail is that VIDA needs internet connection in order to try to find the displayed covers. Anyway, to find all the technical details and information about the player and the SD card and other stuff, you can find the datasheet of the device in Ecler website.